It takes about 20 minutes to write a ticket and to run checks on a vehicle and a person driving it. 20 minutes. So if there is no probable cause to get into a vehicle and the police officers want to search it, they can call a dog to do a free sniff. If the dog alerts, that means that's the probable cause to get in. The trick is, they have to be there before the 20 minutes is up, according to Rodriguez versus USA. Otherwise, anything they find would be inadmissible in court. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Carolina, and I'm not a robot. I carefully handpicked and crafted this content, especially with my viewers and subscribers in mind. My goal? To make sure the police don't ever get over on us again. Today, we're going to look at police harassment. Look at the examples and learn from them in case you're ever in a situation like this. This is harassment because the 20 minutes was way past, and it's just retaliation because the motorist was a little bit rude earlier. Look how many times they run this dog around the car.
Yo, these guys are crazy. Why is the dogs here? What is the dogs here for? They don't always roll with y'all. Y'all just came with more. They just came with that one. Yeah, all the time. Look. Look at him. He wants him to smell something. He's not going to smell nothing. What the fuck? This is crazy. He must smell the, he must like the weed. Yo, come on, he's scratching the car now. Oh, man. Come on, man.
We found his nails.
I just heard his nails on the car.
It's hard nails, bro. We file them down pretty good. So we don't like that.
How many times did you have to walk around the car?
No, I'm not a canine handler, so I wouldn't know.
How many times did you walk around the car?
Not a canine handler.
How many times have you ever seen him walk around the car?
Multiple times.
Multiple, as in how many is multiple?
Multiple.
I noticed the key inside the center console. That's the key for this vehicle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Look how many units arrived because of a simple traffic stop.
How far is your dad, Gary?
Downtown almost. You see, about to be coming up the hill.
Okay. Our policy is when I call the inventory, if your dad, he's a registered owner of the vehicle, right?
Yeah.
So if he beats the tow, nothing I can do. It's his vehicle.
Where's the tow?
I don't know.
Oh,
I called for a tow
okay.
when, you
Yeah.
wouldn't identify her because I would have just let her. But just for future reference when dealing with cops.
Can I get the key at least?
No, the key's staying with the vehicle as long as, because as of right now, the tow is still coming.
Yeah, but the key.
Yeah. tow truck's gonna need the key.
Oh.
So what I'm saying is, if your dad lawfully gets here before the tow company gets here, it's his vehicle. I have no right to prevent him from taking his own vehicle, as long as he's valid. He's got a valid license.
Yeah.
Right? So I have no right to prevent him from taking his vehicle. However, you cannot drive.
Okay.
He is the only one that can drive that car away.
So I could sit in the car though?
No.
Oh.
No. No. Because like 2 weeks ago, we had a guy rip from us.
It's cold. I can't sit in the back seat.
You can sit in my car.
I don't want to sit in your car. I want to sit in my dad's car.
Not happening.
No?
If you're cold and you want to sit in the car, that's totally
By law, I cannot sit in that car. By law. Right now.
Yes, no.
By law. Okay.
Yes, no.
Okay. Yes, no. Yes, no. What is?
I'm agreeing with you by saying yes, you cannot sit in that car. I'm saying no, like you cannot sit in that car.
Okay. You're agreeing. Yeah. I got you.
You seem like you have a question.
No, you seem like you didn't know my question.
You're asking by law, you're not allowed to sit in
I
that
know.
car.
You said yes, no. That's why I
And
said
I'm
that.
saying by law, yes, no, you're not allowed to sit in that car.
Gotcha.
Do you have any other questions?
No. Can I go stand over there with my girlfriend now? I'm not detained. Am I detained? You said
Yeah, you're not free to go.
Okay. So what am I standing here for if my dad could come get the car?
Because I'm going to issue you tickets. You're not free to go.
Okay.
Any other questions for us?
Nah, go ahead. Do your thing.
This cop is chasing after some really horrible criminals.
Pull over! Pull over!
We have a right. I know.
I told you to stop, and you kept going.
Because we have, I stopped. Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. What are you doing, man?
Because I'm putting you in handcuffs.
What the fuck?
Do not fight me. Do not fight me right now.
Wait, we are in the right. What are you doing, man?
Do not fight me. Stop resisting me right now. Do you understand me?
I'm not doing anything. What are you doing, man?
Putting you under arrest.
What? What are you doing?
Step off the
riding,
bike.
man.
Step off the bike.
Officer, what's the problem? What do you do?
What are you
Told
doing,
you all to
man?
stop. You didn't stop.
Mira, me arrestaron.
And then I told you to stop your bikes, and you didn't stop.
We didn't hear
Me
you.
arrestaron por no parar.
Yeah, he's a minor.
Told him to stop, and he didn't stop. Fantastic. He's gonna be out 1050 bicycle times 2. Gonna be out at Florida Avenue by Stone Street. And I got
My bike.
right now.
What are you doing?
Taking you to jail. Yeah, I'm about 14 right now. I'm 10-4 though.
To be honest, it's extremely hard to hear you guys.
Yeah, we didn't hear you.
What's that?
We promise, we just didn't hear you.
I told y'all to stop, and I'm riding behind you with lights sirens, and y'all ain't stopping. You can take the bike. You can have the bike.
Yeah, hear my song.
And once we
Okay. I told him to pull over, and he didn't stop. That's a felony right there. So, y'all can go over there.
To be honest, we all thought you were pulling that car over.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a joke, guys.
This is a what?
Young guys.
Yeah, we're just minors.
Okay.
Yeah.
First time for
you.
I told you to stop, and you kept on
Yeah, but
going.
if he doesn't hear you,
I have lights and sirens on.
right, but if he doesn't hear you, the wind's in our ears. We can barely hear anything, especially with all this stuff on.
Yes,
You know,
and once we did
okay.
hear you, we did pull over.
Today's not the time for roadside jury, okay?
What was that?
Today's not the day for roadside jury. Y'all can move on.
Well, he's a minor. That's his son.
Yeah.
That's his
Then you
son.
can stay here. The rest of y'all could go. You have any weapons on you? Do you have your ID on you, anything?
Why I have a weapon, man? What the
Or I
fuck?
can stay here, right?
I'm asking you a question.
Safety purpose, I'm out of the road.
Pero si este cabrón me apesta por la mierda.
You can move up the road and wait.
I'm not leaving my son.
I didn't say you had to leave your son. So you move up there.
Yeah, you can stay here. That's fine.
Chris.
This traffic stop took a long time, and I cut out all the dead spaces, but it's definitely harassment, and if not harassment, it's petty. Plus, at the very end, you can hear how they conspired to get him.
For my safety. What's going on?
That's no problem. Do you mind rolling the window down just a little bit so I can see you?
You can see me.
That's fine.
What's up? You can see me.
Okay, that's fine. So the reason I'm going to be stopping you today, okay, is the speed limit on Lincoln Way is 25 and you're doing about 30 miles an hour. And
oh,
then
wow.
the speedway on City, standby one. And then the speed limit on J Street right there is 30 miles an hour and you're doing about 35 to 40 while I was behind you, okay?
I was just going.
Do you have your license, registration in the vehicle, sir?
Sure do. Here's that.
Can you hand it to me? I don't want to reach in your car. Are you still from Nevada, or do you have a...
No, I live in both places, but I'm sort of stuck here right now.
You're stuck
in
Indiana right now? Okay, where are you staying at up in Indiana?
Michigan City.
Michigan City?
Yep.
Okay. And are you a Indiana resident or just through Nevada?
No, both. My mom has a house up here. I stay here.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm asking as far as like driving status. Is your...
No, that's current,
You have the address in Nevada?
Yes.
Okay. All right, cool.
But I have to have the address here in Michigan City too.
Okay, well I don't know what that is.
It's 109. It's 109 Earl Road.
109 Earl Road.
Correct.
Okay, but so I'm trying to figure out: are you a resident of the state of Indiana or the resident of the state of Nevada?
I'm stuck here. Yeah, well, I'm a resident in Nevada, but I'm stuck here, so I guess I'm gonna have to get everything switched over.
I got you. Is this vehicle registered to you then?
Yes.
Okay. All right, hang out with me, okay?
Yep. How you doing?
So would you mind rolling both of these windows down for me?
I really don't see the purpose in it, but yeah, sure I will.
Oh, the back one as well. I mean, it's
the back window's got a cage. The back window's got a cage.
Dawn's a creeping, so.
No, I got my dogs usually, but.
What's with the canine vehicle?
I breed dogs.
Okay. So you're pretending like you're a canine officer?
No, I'm not pretending shit. I breed dogs. So that's a perfect car, man. You got a kennel in the back. It's perfect.
All right. Sir, real quick for me. Okay, I need you to do real quick. You can leave the recording on. Can you put the phone on the dash for me?
Sure.
All right, and then what I want you to do is I want you to keep both hands on the steering wheel, okay? We're going to run a K9 for a free air sniff, okay?
Sure.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yep.
And just keep your hands on
I'm not going nowhere
until told to do otherwise.
No problem.
All right, sir. So what I need you to do is step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Is there a reason?
Yeah, so the K9 gave the sign, the positive alert to the presence of narcotics in your vehicle.
God. Okay, sure thing.
So I just need you to exit the vehicle for me.
Sure.
All right, appreciate it. And then just go ahead and walk this way for me. Walk around.
I've seen Michigan City arrested him of like possession of a machine gun or something.
Yeah, that's
Got Brandy Reese.
Who's Brandy Reese? Who's Brandy Reese? You want the card in here?
Brandy Reese at once.
The 10th on A, when I was following him, he pulled over to the side too and stopped. He went by.
Phone's cool. It's like a flip thing. It's recording me. You can see.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Help my algorithm with these things.